So here is the new Kramer MegaEdge. It's a portable power bank for USB, but also for mains. And it's ideal for classroom configurations or any configuration where the tables need to be portable, where you can't have mains channeled into the floor. So what does it do? So we switch it on, and immediately it tells you how much percentage full the battery is. So we've got 92% at the moment. And if the blue light's on, I can charge a USB device. So I'm now charging the phone over here. And if I turn the red light on here, then I'm also providing power from the mains connectors. And at the end of the evening, when the class is finished, simply disconnect everything, and this can now be charged up, ready for use the next day.